Simulation of a cost-efficient prototype egg incubator with fully automatic egg turning. An egg incubator is a machine that is used to hatch fertile eggs successfully under a controlled environmental condition by regulating the temperature and humidity of the container. However, the technologies used in current egg incubators in the poultry industry often come with exorbitant costs and maintenance requirements. Today we are going to demonstrate that exorbitant costs can be managed and reduced, and to design a cost-efficient, fully automatic egg incubator for the poultry industry. In our prototype, we used microcontrollers as a cost-effective alternative to the expensive hardware components like heaters and coils. We used a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor to monitor the temperature and the humidity inside the incubator, a 25-watt filament bulb for regulated heat generation, 12-volt DC fan is used to circulate the air inside the incubation chamber, and the SG90 servo motor-powered egg-turning tray to turn the eggs 4 times per day. All the components in the system are controlled by the Arduino UNO board. After writing the Arduino program, uploaded into the Arduino board, all components were connected to the Arduino board. In our egg incubator there are 2 sections. First one is the incubation chamber and the second one is the controlling unit. The frame of the incubator box was made by wood. The walls in the incubator box were covered by using wooden boards and fixed into the frame using glue. The walls inside the incubation chamber were covered by regiform boards to prevent heat leakage. A SG90 servo motor is used as a ventilation valve to air intake to the incubation chamber. Arduino board, relay modules, DS3231 real-time clock module, power packs and 12-volt cooling fan were fixed into the control unit. Run a free trial as a review and we observed that the temperature and the humidity measured in every second and output transferred into the Arduino board. Temperature and humidity readings can be seen on the computer monitor. Egg turning is one of the most important component in the incubator. Egg turning process prevent the embryo in the egg stick onto the egg shell. The servo motor powered egg turning tray turn the eggs with a 60-degree range 4 times per day. Servo motors were controlled by the Arduino UNO board. Time calculated for the egg turning process is done by the DS3231 real-time clock module. Egg turning tray was placed in front of the 25-watt filament bulb. When we start the incubation process, the incubator gives 15 seconds initially to place the 3 eggs onto the egg tray. After that it starts the 21 days incubation process. During the incubation period we have to keep the electricity supply without any interruption. We can observe that the embryos were growing inside the eggs through the candling process. Optimum temperature for the incubation process is 37 degrees Celsius. When the temperature inside the incubation chamber below 37 Celsius, 25-watt filament bulb automatically turns on and heat up the eggs. In the incubation chamber the heat is transferred through the light. When the humidity inside the incubation chamber below 70, 12-volt DC fan automatically turns on and the ventilation valve automatically open. Filament bulb and the 12-volt DC fan was controlled by the 5-volt relay modules. We were put a water cup inside the incubation chamber to enhance the humidity controlling process. After 21 days we can observe that the small chickens were successfully hatched. By considering other egg incubators used in the industry, we can conclude that our system is cost-efficient and can achieve optimal hatch rates. This cost-efficient prototype can reduce the production costs by eliminating the need for manual egg turning and contributes to the sustainability of poultry farming. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn.